Here's something that confuses almost every Greek learner at first. Kalimera, kalispera, wherever you are, and today we're talking about how the word yati can mean both why and because. Same word. The difference? Context. If you're asking a question, if you're asking for a reason, yati means why. Yati aργείς, why are you late? Yati also means why in indirect questions, wondering. For example, δεν ξέρω γιατί έφυγε. I don't know why she left. But if you're answering and giving the reason, γιατί means because. Αργώ γιατί έχει κίνηση. I'm late because there's traffic. So, if it asks or introduces a question, it means why. And if it gives the reason, if it's answering, it means because. And a little interesting fact, there are more ways to say because, but only this way to ask why. Comment more if you're curious about the rest. Follow for more Greek language content.